To allow. Makwan. Makwan. Allow him or her to come. Manokwan na omra. Manokwan na omra. Allow him or her to eat. Manokwan na onidi. Manokwan na onidi. To annoy. Shebufuo. Shebufuo. I annoyed him or her. Me share no ebufuo. Me share no ebufuo. To bargain. Diano. Diano. He or she bargained. Odiano. Odiano. I have bargained. Mediano. Mediano. To bathe. Jare. Jare. Bathe and sleep. Jare nada. Jare nada. What time will you bathe? Breben na ube jare. Breben na ube jare. To plead. Pachel. Pachel. I plead with you. Me pauchel. Me pauchel. To beg. Sre. Sre. I beg you, forgive me. Mesrel facheme. Mesrel facheme. To begin. Shasie. Shasie. Or fitiasie. Fitiasie. Begin to learn. Shasie suadie. Shasie suadie. The year has begun. Afeno ashasie. Afeno ashasie. To bite. Ka. Ka. Snake bites. Owoka. Owoka. The dog has bitten me. Kramainwa kame. Kramainwa kame. To bleach. Po. Po. He or she has bleached his or her skin. Wapone widie. Wapone widie. To blink or to wink. Boeni. Boeni. Kofi blinks fast. Kofi bone nintentem. Kofi bone nintentem. The young man winked at the young woman. Abrantie no bone ni chire ababaawa no. Abrantie no bone ni chire ababaawa no. To brag. Janum. Janum. He or she brags a lot. Ojananum dodo. Ojananum dodo. Kofi is bragging. Kofi jananum. Kofi jananum. To bury. Sie. Sie. Bury the corpse. Sie funono. Sie funono. Bury the bone. Sie dompeno. Sie dompeno. To buy. To. To. Buy me a drink. Tonsama me. Tonsama me. I will buy you a dog. Meto kramaya mau. Meto kramaya mau. To carry. Swa. Swa. Carry the basket. Swakenteno. Swakenteno. To cheat. Sisi. Sisi. Love has cheated me. Odo esisime. Odo esisime. He or she is cheating me. Osisime. Osisime. To chew. We. Chew the meat. Renamno. Chew the maize. Bruno. To come. Ba. We will come. Yebeba. When Ajua comes, call me. Ajua ba freme. Come. Imperative. Bra. Come here. Braha. Come and collect. Brabeje. To cough. Bowa. Why are you coughing like that? Ade na wo bowa sa. To crowd. Bodompim. The doctors have also crowded there. Adokotafo no nso abodompim wo ho. To cry. Su. He or she cried at the funeral. Osunwe yie no ase. To cut. Cha. Cut the soap. Chasemina no. Cut it for me. Chamami. To die. Woo. I will never die. Me would die. To do. Ye. Or yo. Do the job. Ye jumano. What are you doing? Wo ye dieng. To eat. Transitive. Di. Yaw has eaten the food. Yaw edi aduane no. I eat fufu. Midi fufuo. Intransitive. Didi. Everyone eats. Obiye didi. I eat every morning. Mididi anope biya. I have eaten. Medidi. To explain. Chiremu. Explain it to him or her. Chiremu chireno. The teacher explained it clearly. Ochirechireni no chiremu fine. To fade. Pa. The cloth has faded. Ntumanwa pa. To fart. Yimframa. Or yimframabone. He or she farted in public. Oyimframa wo bedwem. To fetch. Sa. Fetch me water. Sensuo breme. Sensu breme. Fetch your own water. Sawa unsuo. Sawa unsuo. To fry. Chin. Chin. Fry the meat. Chinamono. Chinamono. I'm frying an egg. Mekyea kosua. Mekyea kosua. To give. Ma. Ma. Give me food. Mami aduane. Mami aduane. Give me peace. Mami asomdwoe. Mami asomdwoe. To go. Ko. Ko. Go home. Kofie. Kofie. Go and come. Konabra. Konabra. To gossip. Dikonkonsa. Dikonkonsa. Ama and Ajua gossip every day. Ama ni Ajua dikonkonsa debia. Ama ni Ajua dikonkonsa debia. To help. Boa. Boa. Owusu has helped me. Owusu aboa me. Owusu aboa me. I've helped you before. Maboa wo pain. Maboa wo pain. To hide. See. See. He or she has hidden him or herself. Ɔde ne ho asie. Ɔde ne ho asie. Character is like pregnancy. You cannot hide it. Suban te sɛ nyinsɛn. Wontumi mfa nsie. Suban te sɛ nyinsɛn. Wontumi mfa nsie. To jump. Hurry. Hurry. Jump up. Hurry kosoro. Hurry kosoro. Jump and catch it. Hurry naso. Hurry naso. To kiss. On the lips. Fiano. Fiano. He or she kissed me 3 times. Ofe mano mprensa. Ofe mano mprensa. Kiss him or her. Fenano. Fenano. To kiss. On the cheeks. Fiafono. Fiafono. He or she kissed the baby on the cheeks. Ofe abofrano afono. Ofe abofrano afono. To laugh. Sere. Sere. You are laughing at me? Wo sere me? Wo sere me? To learn. Sua. Sua. I'm learning to write. Me sua akyerɛ. Me sua akyerɛ. Learn to sew. Sua de pam. Sua de pam. To lick. Tafre. Tafre. Lick your hand. Tafre wonsa. Tafre wonsa. If you play with a dog, it licks your mouth. Sɛ wo ne kraman di agorɔ a, ɔtafre w'ano. Sɛ wo ne kraman di agorɔ a, ɔtafre w'ano. To lift. Pagya. Pagya. Lift the metal. Pagya dadeɛ no. Pagya dadeɛ no. Lift your head. Pagya wo ti. Pagya wo ti. To like. Pe. Pe. Or enije ho. Enije ho. Kofi likes food. Kofi pe aduane. Kofi pɛ aduane. Ama likes Kofi. Ama ani gye Kofi ho. Ama ani gye Kofi ho. To listen. Tie. Tie. Listen to what I'm saying. Tie nea meka no. Tie nea meka no. When I speak, you don't listen. Mekasa wuntie. Mekasa wuntie. To look or to watch. Hwɛ. Hwɛ. Look forward. Hwɛ w'anim. Hwɛ w'anim. Look at me. Hwɛ me. Hwɛ me. To love. Dɔ. Dɔ. I love my wife. Me dɔ me yere. Me dɔ me yere. My mother loves me. Me maame dɔ me. Me maame dɔ me. To open. Bie. Bie. Open the door. Bie pono no. Bie pono no. Open the box. Bie adaka no so. Bie adaka no so. To peel. Sensene. Sensene. Peel the yam. Sensene bayre no. Sensene bayre no. Peel the orange. Sensene anka no. Sensene anka no. To pick it. Bossesen. Bossesen. The teachers have picketed at the president's house. Akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no abɔsesen wɔ ɔmanpanyin no fie hɔ. Akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no abɔsesen wɔ ɔmanpanyin no fie hɔ. To press. Mia. Mia. Press on it. Mia so. Mia so. To rinse. Hohoro. Hohoro. Rinse the cup. Hohoro kuruwa no mu. Hohoro kuruwa no mu. Rinse the bottle. Hohoro toa no. Hohoro toa no. To roast. Toton. Toton. Roast the meat. Totonam no. Totonam no. Roasted maize. Ebra ya toton. Ebra ya toton. To sell. Ton. Ton. He or she sells coconut. Oton kube. Oton kube. Ama sells oranges. Ama to anka. Ama to anka. To shout. Tiemu. Tiemu. Or tiem. Tiem. Why are you shouting like that? Adɛn na wo tiem saa? Adɛn na wo tiem saa? You are shouting too much. Wo tiem dodo. Wo tiem dodo. To show. Kyerɛ. Kyerɛ. Show me your character. Kyerɛ me wo suban. Kyerɛ me wo suban. Show me how to do it. Kyerɛ me sɛnea yɛyɛ no. Kyerɛ me sɛnea yɛyɛ no. To sleep. Da. Da. Have you slept? Wada. Wada. I will sleep at 6 o'clock. Meda no nsia. Meda no nsia. To smear. Sra. Sra. Smear them with lotion. Sra wonkun. Sra wonkun. To speak. Kasa, kasa. Speak, I'm listening. Kasa, mekyea. Kasa, mekyea. Speak louder. Kasa den, kasa den. To squat. Koto, koto. Squat on the floor. Koto fam ho, koto fam ho. If he or she had not squatted, it would have hit him or her. Wankoto anka ebo no. Wankoto anka ebo no. To stop. Jai, jai. Stop crying. Jaisu, jaisu. If you won't do it, stop. Se wunye jai. Se wunye jai. To sweep. Pra, pra. Sweep the whole place. Pra ho nyinaa. Pra ho nyinaa. Sweep the room. Pra dan no mu. Pra dan no mu. To swindle. Bu, bu. They've swindled me. Wabume, wabume. To teach. Chradie, chradie. My husband teaches. Mikunu chradie. Mikunu chradie. Ama teaches in a secondary school. Ama chradie wo ntoaso school mu. Ama chradie wo ntoaso school mu. Yaw teaches chi. Yaw chire chi. Yaw chire chi. To tear. Te, te. Tear the paper. Te krata no. Te krata no. The baby has torn the book. Abofra no ate nwoma no. Abofra no ate nwoma no. To understand. Tiasie. Tiasie. Do you understand? What tiasie? What tiasie? I don't understand. Mentiasie. Mentiasie. To wake up. Nyane. Nyane. When I wake up, I'll come. Seminyania meba. Seminyania meba. Kofi woke up early. Kofi nyane intem. Kofi nyane intem. To wait. Chain. Chain. Wait for me. Chain me. Chain me. Go and wait for us at the junction. Kochen yen wo nkwanta no so. Kochen yen wo nkwanta no so. To wash. Sinuoma. Sinuoma. Wash the clothes. Sinuoma no. Sinuoma no. Ama washes every Saturday. Ama sinuoma memene de bia. Ama sinuoma memene de bia. To wear. She. She. Put on the red dress. She atade koko no. She atade koko no. To wipe. Popa. Popa. Wipe the floor. Popa fem ho. Popa fem ho. Have you wiped your hands? Wapopa wonsa. Wapopa wonsa. To write. Chre. Chre. Write a letter to your loved one. Chre krata akoma wodofo. Chre krata akoma wodofo. Write your name. Kyerɛ wo din. Kyerɛ wo din.